As the market is getting saturated with smartphones sporting similar designs and features, it takes a work of art for a product to stand out. That's exactly what Realme has been doing with its Master Edition series over the past couple of years. The latest model in the lineup is the Realme GT Master Explorer Edition. If this name didn't get your attention, then the phone's design surely will. Like other Master Edition models which took design inspiration from everyday items in your life, this time around, the legendary Japanese product designer, Naoto Fukasawa, has taken inspiration from your everyday suitcase. I don't think there are a lot of people who want their smartphones to match their suitcases. Nevertheless, the Realme GT Master Explorer Edition brings a unique design to this crowded market. The phone reportedly sports the industry's first 3D vegan leather on the back, and it sure won't go unnoticed. Honestly, we had our reservations when we first saw the renders, but after using the phone in real life, we have to agree that the overall design looks very premium. You also get Mr. Fukasawa's signature on the back, making it suitable even for those who just want to add a unique design to their collection. The Realme GT Master Explorer Edition comes in low saturated colors like Suitcase Gray and Suitcase Apricot. As you can see in the pictures above, we've got the Suitcase Gray variant. Another standout feature of this device is its 3D texture, which completes its suitcase-inspired design. Needless to say, you won't find another phone with this design in the market. Note that you get a matching suitcase-inspired case in the box that complements its style. The Realme GT Master Explorer Edition comes with one of the best displays on a Realme smartphone. The phone features a 6.55-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, and 480Hz touch sampling rate. It also features 10,240 levels of brightness adjustments, and up to 1,100 nits of peak brightness. Overall, this is a flagship-grade display in 2021. Realme GT Master Explorer hands-on 06. As for the cameras, the new Master Explorer Edition model features a capable IMX7 6650MP primary shooter, the same as the Find X3 Pro. This CMOS sensor is a class above others in the same price range. The samples from the main camera are going to be sharp and saturated. However, the 16MP ultra-wide-angle sensor is rather average for this price segment. Coming to the main hardware, the Realme GT Master Explorer Edition gets the second-best processor in 2021. In many ways, Snapdragon 870 could be the chipset of choice this year because of its better thermal management, so you can expect top-notch performance from this device. Other notable features include stereo speakers and Z-axis linear motor for solid vibration feedback. Finally, the phone comes with a 4,500 mAh battery with 65W fast charging, ensuring that battery life won't be a worry on this device. Now coming to the most important part, the Realme GT Master Explorer Edition retails at an aggressive 2,899 yuan pricing, which comes to around $449. Considering its unique design and hardware, the phone stands out in this price range. What do you think about this unique suitcase-inspired design?